Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we are continuing Security Week with locks and doors. Now, I've done several live streams with people from other channels discussing about security procedures for locks and doors and the different things you can do to secure them. So you can go back and check some of those out, or you can just Google and Google. Search YouTube for security doors and stuff like that, and you'll find a bunch of videos on it. The main point is you need to make sure that your doors can keep you safe during a bad time. Example, what was going on with Portland last year and the year before, where you had people rioting, kicking in doors, and doing bad things. All right. If your door is not up to the task of keeping you safe, you might as well just leave it open. So you can make your door safer easily with several different things on it. If you go back and check out my video on it, you'll see all sorts of different ways you can make your door secure, and they're not that expensive and they're not that hard to install. One of the things that I recommend against on doors is doors with big windows in them. Oh, but it lets so much light in, and it makes it easy for someone to unlock the door and come right on in. So if you have one of those big doors with the windows in it, people can come through, you may want to consider adding some sort of screen protection over that window to keep them from coming through it. Just a thought. But there are a lot of things you can think about. Look at your doors. Look at the door frames. See what you can do to make your door stronger. Remember, it's the gate to your castle. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, clothing, other gear that you're going to need. Why? Well, this is why.